Hi, welcome to the New Forest. It's December 20th. We're in the middle of quite a large rainstorm that's been going on all night. And I've just come across this area of water here, which is just your kind of classic sort of textbook example of some great hydrology going on here. So you can see the main channel is flowing round here and then meeting this area of water coming off the floodplain. And if we zoom in, you can see where the faster moving water of the channel is coming around meeting this slower water, and you've got areas of shear between the fast moving water and the slow moving water. It's causing these shear layers to develop, and you can see kind of boils developing on the surface. You can sort of see where, if we zoom out a little bit, you can sort of see the transition between the fast moving water and the slow moving water where there's that shear layer. And if we just look down here, you may be able to see occasionally these little eddies develop where the two layers shear against each other. There goes one just there, and that's shedding off and moving into the main channel. And that's where the fast moving water is kind of, I guess you could almost think of it as sort of rubbing against the slow moving water, and you're creating this circular motion. Now if we move down here, this is a great example. We've got very fast moving water flowing around this very, very tight bend. And just here on the outside we can see there's kind of two sort of flow cells developing. And just here against the bank, you can see the water kind of almost looks like it's boiling up from the bed of the river, and that's in fact almost what it's doing. You've got a super elevation of the water surface against the bank, so the water's kind of being pushed against this outer bank. It's kind of bubbling up, so it's actually higher against this bank than it is against this bank, and then because of gravity it's flowing, then it's trying to flow backwards across the river here. So you've got this really strange pattern developing where the water's kind of almost trying to flow back on itself. It's a great example of sort of flow cells and shear layers in overbank flooding. Great stuff.